Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S2 and mop combo. I've looked through the internet, checked expert reviews, Reddit discussions, and early real-world feedback, and I'm going to break down whether the Omni S2 is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest selling point here is automation. The Omni S2 is clearly designed for people who want the absolute minimum amount of manual maintenance possible. The base station automatically empties dust, washes the mop, dries it, refills water, and supports up to 68 days of hands-free cleaning. According to eufy's official specifications, the system also uses ozonated water and a self-cleaning mop structure to help remove 99.99% of bacteria, while keeping the roller mop fresh during cleaning. Now let's talk about the suction power, because 30,000 pascals is an enormous number for a robot vacuum. eufy's Aero Turbo 2.0 system is designed to maintain strong suction over longer periods using cyclone separation technology, which helps reduce clogging and keeps airflow consistent. In real-world use, early reviewers say it performs extremely well on both carpets and hard floors, especially with pet hair, dust, and heavier debris. The mopping system is honestly one of the most interesting parts of this robot. Instead of using spinning mop pads like many competitors, the Omni S2 uses a continuously self-cleaning roller mop system called HydroJet 2.0. The mop actively washes itself in real time using multiple water injection ports, helping avoid dirty water being spread across the floor. eufy also claims stronger downward pressure and wider cleaning coverage compared to many traditional robot mops. Another major advantage is edge and corner cleaning. One common weakness of robot vacuums is missing dirt along walls or tight corners. But the Omni S2 includes extending cleaning mechanisms designed to improve edge coverage significantly. According to product details and early testing impressions, it performs noticeably better around room edges than many older robot vacuum designs. Navigation and AI are also a huge part of the experience. The CleanMind AI system uses advanced sensors and obstacle recognition to map rooms intelligently and avoid objects. Official specs mention recognition for more than 200 obstacles and over 40 mess types. In practice, reviewers and Reddit users report that navigation is generally very smart and adaptive, especially after the initial mapping process is completed. And yes, the fragrance diffuser feature is real. eufy added scent cartridges directly into the cleaning station to help leave rooms smelling fresher during cleaning sessions. It's definitely more of a luxury feature than an essential one, but it does help the product feel more premium and unique. Now let's talk about the limitations, because this is still a premium robot vacuum, and it's not perfect. First is price. The Omni S2 sits firmly in the flagship category, and depending on accessories or regional pricing, it can become very expensive compared to mid-range robot vacuums. Another thing to consider is complexity. This is not a simple press button and forget forever device. While automation is excellent, there are still filters, tanks, brushes, and occasional maintenance tasks involved. Some Reddit users also mentioned that firmware updates were actively improving edge cleaning and navigation behavior after launch, which suggests the software is still evolving. The large docking station is another factor. Because the system handles washing, drying, and self-emptying, the dock takes up significantly more space than basic robot vacuums, so you need room for it. After looking through everything, here's my conclusion. If you want one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mopping systems available with elite suction power, excellent automated maintenance, strong AI navigation, and some of the best mopping technology currently on the market, then yes, the eufy Omni S2 is absolutely worth considering. Overall, this is a premium flagship robot vacuum designed for people who want maximum automation and minimal daily cleaning effort, and it genuinely feels like one of the most futuristic home cleaning systems available right now.